Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and we have a lovely piece of music coming up, and this is Francie. And Francie, I want you to tell me how you came to write this piece.
Well, it's a short story. Way back in the 50s, we had a fair good strong group of players in Gweedore called Ashtree Gweedore. And there were more Gweedore people over in Glasgow than there were in Gweedore at the time, and the West Donegal people for that matter. So we were invited over to do some drama. And along with the dramas, we used to do a little bit of a cabaret on the stage. And I wrote this wee song just to bring a wee bit of Gweedore to our friends in Glasgow. It did the rounds. Paul Brady got it. And when he had a group, or he was singing with a group, the Johnsons, and they released it on Gaoth single, Gaoth label.
All those years ago.
That's way back in the 60s.
It would be, yes.
And I'll tell you, it has gone the rounds since, so it's still a bit popular. Still a bit.
Sé an tidan atá ná.
Gleanntáin Ghlas Ghaoth Dobhair.
Mairéad Gleanntáin Ghlas Ghaoth Dobhair is bagnar bris Mairéad. Ag tastil dúach tríd cric bean doin san wach share machu. Ní miste dú ra tre bronas le cra gur frasach a hilm se sú. America, Shira, the Mahiriel, a wild Haran, Narigua. Dag my slan or Faisha,